all, welcome to Acharya Coding School. So in this session, we can discuss about Linux services and Systemctl. So we can discuss each and everything in detail. So before going to this, so when you restart your computer or any server, so at the time, have you noticed that it's automatically connects to your Wi-Fi and the cron jobs also. So when you restarted your system, its background, it's automatically running in the background. So how does our system knows which services to start? So there are these are mainly services. So the services are in Linux, we have like a background process that usually starts at the boot. So boots are like a system process. It's automatically start when we are running our Linux service and it runs continuously. So without the interaction. So we have like a SSHD, Nginx and cron. So we have like a different types of services. So these services are mainly managed by the init systems. And these are like a modern Linux systems. So we are using like a systemctl as the init command. We can know about using the by giving this command. Systemctl status SSH. So we can check that it's an open server domain. It's actively running. So we can able to know that our service is running in the background or not. So we can able to see that it's a stopped or in the running phase. And we have like a systemctl. So systemctl is equal to init system and service manager. So Linux mainly used in the older init systems. So we have like a sysinit and upstart. So we have like a older init systems. So the systemctl mainly equal to modern init systems and as well as service manager. So it's mainly running services in the parallel and as well as it's mainly using for the faster boots. And we have like it manages independently. And using this we can manage logs, times and targets. So we can handle using the Systemctl. For the service we are using handling using the Systemctl and we have commands called like Systemctl. So let us understand about the Systemctl commands which we are using. So we have like a for checking the status of your service. We are using some commands. For checking the status. Systemctl status SSHD. So using that we can already mention like to check our service is running using this command. And first we have for starting and stopping and restarting a service. For those also we have commands. By using the commands we can give sudo systemctl start. So already our service is running. So then there is no need of starting it. So we can systemctl stop SSHD. So you check again systemctl status So you can see that it's inactive. So to start it again, we need to press in command called for starting this command. If you observe, the system SSH will automatically start. So if you observe, the status is active and running. And we have a commands for enabling and disabling services. So we have a commands sudo systemctl enable nginx. So it's failed to. So because the nginx services does not exist in our system. So then we can install. For example, if you want to install, you can install HTTP and then you can. So if you observe, it is installed in our machine. So then you can give commands systemctl enable HTTP. So it's created. So if you want to disable system which we have enabled, you can give using the commands. So it won't start automatically if we given the disable. So if you give the enable means it's auto starting at the boot. So we have like a list all running services. So by using the commands, we can give systemctl list of list means it will list all the running processes. So same as like we are providing hyphen type is equal to service. So which we are checking service, right? So we are checking the service. So that's why we are providing the type of service. So after we are checking running services. So that's why we are providing the status running. So if it is if you want to check the stopped services, then you can give the status stop services. Then you can able to see it now. So now you see how many services are running in our system. Then we can able to see everything. So we can check the status on our system and share the output. So we have discussed about the commands of the systemctl. So which using this which we are giving and which type of commands we are dealing. And we can discuss it between the start and enable. So the both are mainly using for the starting our service, but the main difference here it comes. So the starts which we are using running the services right now. So it means automatically it will get started. So it automatically runs our service. So we have like a service enable. So it mainly runs service every boot. So for example, if we start the nginx, it automatically runs after reboot and it won't come back. So if we given the enable means, so it's ensure it's automatically on the reboot. That's how we are dealing with the start and the enable. We have discussed about this Linux services and systemctl.